Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man Smooth Marky, and in today's video we're going to be heading to the absolutely amazing Bowmaster dimension. That's right guys, we're going to be heading to the absolutely amazing, awesome, and epic Bowmaster dimension, and I just hope when I make it inside this absolutely amazing Bowmaster dimension, I have what it takes to become the greatest Bowmaster of all time. And maybe I can even verse some other Bowmasters and knock the butt socks off of them, guys. But what you guys are going to need to head to this dimension is you're going to need 20 red wool. You want to go ahead and place 5 of these on the ground, just like that. Then you're going to need fur-lined wool. You want to go ahead and place 1 of these on each side of your red wool, just like that. Right there, guys. Now you just want to go ahead and you want to jump on up, grab your red wool, and place 5 of these on this side with 1 line wool right on top, guys. Now you just want to go ahead and you want to jump on down. Son of a Robin Hood, that hurt, guys. Now you just want to go ahead and you want to place 5 red wool on this side. And then 5 red wool right in the middle, guys. Smack dab right in the middle. And then 1 lime wool on the edge, guys. Now you can just go ahead, run, and jump on down and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created, guys. Wow, that really does look amazing, guys. But now you just want to go ahead and you want to whip out your flint and steel and light this baby up. Boom! Wow! Don't that look absolutely amazing? That looks so amazing. That would definitely make me want to scroll down and smash that red subscribe button. Or maybe I would scroll down and then shoot the red subscribe button with an arrow. No, I would definitely smash it, guys, but now it's time to head into the Bowmaster dimension. This is going to be so amazing, guys. And oh my god, whoa! An arrow just went whizzing right past my head. Maybe this dimension isn't so amazing after all. You know what? I'm going to take this guy out. Boom, take that, and oh, I took him out with 1 shot, guys. You know what? I'm going to take out his friend as well. Come on, shoot me with an arrow. Shoot me with an arrow. Oh, he actually got me, guys. He actually got me. I should not have tempted him, guys. I should not have tempted him, but boom, I took him out, and I took his friend out. Wow, that was amazing, guys, but oh my god. There is a bunch of them still left in this dimension, guys, that I'm going to have to take out, and not just to dinner. Although I would like to take them out to dinner, guys, because they look really bony, guys. They look really bony. But wow, guys, there's also a lot of buttons in this dimension. I wonder why there's so many buttons. I think I'm going to have to shoot all these buttons, guys, in order to advance onto the next level. So obviously I got to shoot them, and then the gate will come down, and then I can advance to the next level, guys. That's actually pretty cool, guys. But before I shoot all those buttons, let's go ahead and see what's in this chest, guys. Hopefully it's something really good, guys. And wow, it's a bunch of arrows, guys. Wow, there's a lot of arrows in this chest, guys. I'm probably gonna have to use every single one of them, guys. But you know what? I'm about to just do it. I'm about to go into Bowmaster mode. Let's go ahead and do this, guys. I'm going to do this so quick. I'm going to advance through this dimension really, really quick, guys. Let me go ahead and shoot this button. Boom, there we go, guys. The gate is down. Let's go ahead and take these guys out. Boom, take that. Boom, take that. Boom, take that. Oh my god. They're giving it back to me, guys. They're definitely giving it back to me. And oh, he's actually taking his friend out. Wow, he's actually taking his friend out, guys. Boom, take that. And oh, I just took one of them out, guys. Boom, I just took another one out. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and take him out. Boom, I took him out as well, guys. Now it's time to shoot all these buttons, guys. Wow, there's a lot of buttons. Hopefully I don't miss any of them. And oh my god, I'm advancing. I'm advancing. Boom, take that, bro. Boom, take that, bro. Boom. Oh my god, I got 2 of them with 1 arrow. Wow, that was amazing. That was absolutely amazing, guys. Wow, this guy just don't want to go down. He finally went down. Now I need to shoot all these buttons, guys. But that was amazing how I shot both of them with one arrow. Wow, I cannot believe that, guys. Let's go ahead and advance to the next level. I feel so sorry for this guy because he's just down here all by himself, and boom, there he goes, guys. I'm going to go ahead and shoot that button and then shoot that button. Wow, guys, we can advance. Wow, that was amazing. That was absolutely amazing, guys. I really loved that. But now it's time to move on to the next level, guys. What am I supposed to do? I think I'm supposed to shoot those buttons down there, guys. Let's go and shoot this bottom button and then the top button. Did that do anything? I think it might have did something, guys. You know what? Maybe I gotta jump up on this block and then shoot this button, guys. Boom, take that button, and then I'm gonna shoot this button. Boom, take that button, and wow, guys, it let it down. Wow, that was amazing, guys. That was absolutely amazing how they did that. But let's go ahead and see what's in here, guys. And wow, they've added glass. Oh my god, let's go ahead and see what's in this chest. Wow, there's a bunch of arrows in this chest, guys. Why are they giving us so many arrows? Something tells me this is going to be really difficult, guys. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and shoot this guy through the window. Boom, take that, bro. Now I'm going to do a jump shot. Oh my god, that would have been amazing if it would have landed. Boom, take that through the window. Jump shot. Oh, I got him. I got him. I nicked him right on top of the head. Boom, take that. Oh, I actually took him out, guys. Wow, that was amazing. That was absolutely amazing. Now I need to shoot this button, guys. And wow, this is going to be so difficult. Is this even possible? I don't even know if this is possible, guys. Oh my god, I feel like I'm so close. And oh, we got it. We got it, guys. Now I need to take these two guys out. Boom, take that. Oh, he got me. He got me. You know what? Boom, take that right to your face. And oh, he's actually taking his friend out. Wow, he actually took his friend out. And then I took him out, guys. Now it's time to shoot this button. Boom, take that mean button. Wow, I don't know if this is possible, guys. Oh, I got it. Wow, I actually got it, guys. Boom, take that. Oh my god. It looks like he's trying to dance in there, guys. You know what? I'm just going to shoot the button. No, I'm not just going to shoot the button. I'm going to get him. And oh my god, did I shoot through the glass? Oh my god, I think I actually shot him through the glass, guys. That was amazing, but boom, take that. Oh my god, how many times do I have to shoot this guy? And boom, there he goes, guys. Now it's time to shoot the button. Boom, take that button. Boom, take that button. I think I just need to flick it. Really easy, guys. Really easy. Easy does it. Boom, there we go, guys. We got it. Wow, that was amazing. Boom, take that. Boom, take that. Oh my god. His friend is actually fighting him, guys. His friend is actually fighting him right now. You know what? I'm going to shoot the button, and then I'm going to run, jump, 360, shoot. Oh, I got him. I got him. I got that nasty skeleton, and oh, he didn't even get me once, guys. That was amazing. But now I'm going to go ahead, shoot that button, and see if this guy is good. Wow, you look amazing. Are you Robin Hood? Wow, you have a black belt? Wow, he must be nice. And oh my god, he's moving quick. Are you good, bro? Oh my god, he's not good. He's not good. Boom, take that. Boom, take that right to your face. Boom, take that. Boom, take that. Oh my god, you know what? I'm going to spawn my pig. Hopefully my pig can protect me. Protect me, pig. I don't think my pig's going to protect me. You know what? I got to take this guy out. Boom, I'm going to shoot him right in the black belt. Boom, take that. Boom, take that. Oh my god. Wow, his arrows are really powerful, guys. They're shooting me clean up in the air. Oh my god. Boom, take that. Boom, right to your black belt. Boom, right to the neck. Boom, take that to the arm. And oh, I think I shot him while he was down. That was amazing. That was absolutely amazing. Was that amazing, pig? You don't think so? You've seen better? Wow, I can't believe you said that. After I protected you from all those skeletons, and I also protected you from Robin Hood, you're gonna act like this, pig? Wow, I can't believe that. You want me to just go ahead and flip the lever? You know what? I'll go ahead and do it. And if it blows me up, I don't care. Wow, it didn't blow me up. It didn't do anything. What? You're riding away without me? No, come back. I love you, pig. I love you. Why are you running away from me? Oh my god, I can't believe this. I was only going to eat you once. Only once. Oh my god, creeper. Oh my god, right there's a creeper, guys. I'm going to take him out. Boom, take that right to your creeper face. Boom, take that to your creeper face. Boom, take that. Boom. And oh my god, did I just let off a bunch of fireworks? Oh my god, that is amazing, Pig. You know what? I'm gonna break this. And I'm gonna watch these fireworks, guys. Let's go ahead and let's just shoot that button, guys, because that is amazing. Wow, that is amazing, guys. Now I finally know what it feels like to be a Bowmaster. And my pig's gonna know what it feels like to be a BLT after he was so rude to me, guys. I can't believe that. He was really rude to me after I saved him, guys. I'm definitely gonna have to turn him into a BLT, guys. I would definitely do it, but I love him way too much, guys. But if you guys did enjoy this video, which I know you guys did, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, smash that red subscribe button. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.